So I just wanted to give a big shout out and props to Piece of Cake Moving and Storage. We just used them for our move. We wrapped up a 20-year apartment, which is not an easy feat, but we had a team of 3 professionals, Andres, Dyson, and O'Neill, who absolutely rocked move day for us. I was able to just kind of sit back and supervise while they got there on time, checked in with us about all of the items, then proceeded to wrap everything with extreme care. They did our fragile items like the Peloton bike, mirrors, TVs, cribs, bed, anything they disassembled, they also put back together in our new location. If you need anything like COIs or insurance, the team at Piece of Cake handles that for you seamlessly, and there's a really quick turnaround time with being in touch. I'm talking about a matter of minutes sometimes. I was able to really relax and take care of my baby during the move and just watch them handle everything with ease and super seamless. I'm telling you, if you're moving, you need them.